Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change the page border color in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show change the page border color. Now firstly add a page border. Now going to the insert menu option, then click for draw text box. Now draw a text box in full page. Now going to the format menu option, then click for a shape outline option. Now click for a 6 to 10 dates. Then you show page border. This page border change color. Now going to the again format menu option, then click for a shape outline option. Now you choose color. That it. Then you should change the page border color. Then again shape outline. Then you choose color. Now click for yellow color. That it. Then you show change the border color in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.